In the modern world, we have forgotten how to look at each other. We stare at screens. We stare at the floor. We stare at the wall when we feel awkward. We have become a society of glancers. We look, but we don't see. But go back 50,000 years. Before language was invented, before pickup lines existed, our ancestors had only one way to communicate desire, danger, and dominance. The ages. Think about the last time you felt truly intimidated by someone. They didn't have to yell. They just looked at you. Think about the last time you felt instant electric attraction to a woman. Did she write you a letter? No. She caught your gaze across the room and held it for 1 second longer than social norms allow. And in that 1 second, your entire nervous system lit up. Today, we are going to hand you the keys to this primal language. We are not just talking about eye contact. That is basic advice you find on generic blogs. We are going to teach you the triangle method, a psychological technique used by master seducers, spies, and charismatic leaders to hack the human limbic system. This technique triggers a biological mating response in the female brain that bypasses logic completely. She won't know why she feels drawn to you. She will just feel an overwhelming urge to be close to you. But a warning before we begin. This is not a toy. Eye contact of this level creates intense intimacy very quickly. If you use this on someone you are not serious about, you will break hearts. If you are ready to wield this power, keep watching. Why does eye contact feel so intense? It's not magic. It's biology. When you lock eyes with someone, you are creating a direct neural bridge between your brain and theirs. Science tells us that eye contact activates the limbic system specifically, the amygdala and the nucleus accumbens. These are the parts of the brain responsible for emotion, threat detection, and sexual arousal. Most men fail with women because they try to appeal to her logical brain. They brag about their jobs. They try to be funny. They list their resume. But attraction is not a decision. It is a reaction. You cannot talk a woman into desiring you. You have to trigger it. When you hold strong, calm eye contact, you trigger the release of two powerful chemicals in her brain. Dopamine, the pleasure chemical. It makes her feel excited and addicted to your presence. Oxytocin, the bonding chemical. This is the same chemical released during physical intimacy. By simply looking at her the right way, you are literally drugging her brain with the chemicals of love. But then this is a big but. If you do it wrong, you trigger cortisol, the stress hormone. If you stare too hard, you look like a predator. If you look away too fast, you look like prey. So, how do you find the perfect balance? You use geometry. The triangle method is the golden ratio of seductive eye contact. It works because it breaks the intensity of a direct stare, while simultaneously introducing the idea of physical intimacy. Here is the exact protocol. Memorize this pattern. Phase 1. The anchor left eye. Start by looking into her left eye. This is the eye on your right side. Hold this for roughly 1 to 2 seconds. Why the left eye? Research in neurology suggests the left eye is connected to the right hemisphere of the brain, which processes emotions and nonverbal cues. You are knocking on the door of her emotional center. Phase 2. The suggestion: the lips now. Without moving your head, slowly drag your gaze down to her lips. This is the most critical step. Do not snap your eyes down. Move them slowly, as if you are physically tracing a line down her cheek. Hold your focus on her lips for 1.5 to 2 seconds. What happens here? In her mind, she sees you looking at her mouth. Her subconscious immediately asks, is he thinking about kissing me? Even if you haven't said a word, you have just introduced a sexual thought into her mind. You have planted the seed. Phase 3. The reassurance right eye now. Slowly move your gaze up to her right eye. This completes the triangle. By returning to eye contact, you are signaling confidence. You aren't hiding your desire. You are owning it. You are telling her, yes, I looked at your lips. Yes, I find you attractive, and I am comfortable with it. The loop. You don't do this constantly like a robot. That's weird. You do this once during a pause in conversation, when the laughter dies down, when there is a moment of silence. Run the triangle. Eye, mouth, eye, then smile. Knowing where to look is only half the battle. You also need to know how to look. The biggest mistake men make when trying to be intense is that they forget to blink. They open their eyes too wide. This triggers the fight or flight response in women. You don't look sexy, you look like a serial killer. To master the triangle method, you must master the squint, or what is often called hunter eyes, or bedroom eyes. How to do it? Relax the muscles around your eyes. Imagine you are looking at a bright sunset, or you just woke up from a deep sleep. Let your lower eyelids rise slightly. This narrowing of the eyes communicates focus and calmness. It removes the white space above your iris. The soft focus trick. Don't try to laser beam into her retina. Instead, try to look through her. Imagine you are looking at the back of her head, not the front of her eyes. This softens your gaze. It makes your eyes look deeper, darker, and more mysterious. It turns a creepy stare into a seductive gaze. Once you have the triangle and the squint down, you are ready for the black belt techniques. These are subtle amplifiers that double the power of your eye contact. Amplifier. Uno. The slow blink in the wild. A predator never blinks when hunting, but we aren't hunting for food. We are hunting for connection. A fast blink signals nervousness. A slow blink signals trust. When you are locking eyes with her, close your eyes for a fraction of a second longer than normal. It's like a slow-motion shutter on a camera. When you open them again, do it slowly. This subcommunicates. I am so comfortable with you. I can let my guard down. It is incredibly disarming. Amplifier and those. The sticky eyes breaking contact eventually. You have to look away. You can't stare forever, but how you look away determines your status. Most men look away quickly because they feel the tension is too high. They look down at their shoes, never look down. Looking down is a sign of submission and shame. Instead, use the sticky eyes technique. When you need to break eye contact, turn your head to the side slowly, but let your eyes stick to her face for a split second longer before following your head. It should feel like dragging Velcro apart. This shows that you want to keep looking at her, but you have to look away. It leaves her craving your attention back. You cannot learn this just by watching a video. You need muscle memory. If you try the triangle method for the first time on your dream girl, you will panic. You will look weird. You need to practice. Here are 2 drills to get you ready. Drill number 1. The mirror challenge every morning. Stand in front of the mirror. Lock eyes with yourself. Practice the squint. Practice the slow blink. Run the triangle method on your own reflection. Left eye, mouth, right eye. Get comfortable with your own intensity. If you can't look at yourself, you can't look at her. Drill number 2. The street walk safe practice. When you're walking down the street, make eye contact with strangers. Not in a creepy way, just notice their eye color. Hold the gaze until they look away first. When they look away, you mentally say I win, and keep walking. Do not smile. Do not frown. Just be neutral. This trains your brain to be comfortable with the tension of the gaze. Once you can do this with strangers, doing it on a date will feel easy. In a world full of noise, silence is power, and the loudest way to be silent is with your eyes. The triangle method is more than just a seduction trick. It is a way of being present. It is a way of telling a woman, I see you. I am not afraid of you, and I want you. That is a message that no pickup line can ever compete with. So, next time you are with someone special, stop talking. Look into the left eye. Drop to the lips, back to the right eye, and watch the magic happen. If you want to learn how to escalate from eye contact to touch, make sure you subscribe to PsycheDeep. We are just scratching the surface of the human mind. Until next time, keep your eyes open.